Some of the KPIs that can be tracked: authentication errors, policy violations, time needed to resolve errors, cost per incident. The fourth one is very important when it comes to reporting, executive reporting to the board and beyond, in terms of contextualizing it in terms of the revenue impact and other factors. Basically, this is a metric that really stands out and can also have an impact on future budgets, skilling aspirations and things like that. So that's something that SecOps teams can track at their end. There are malware events, phishing events, vulnerability management, third-party risk management. Most of these are self-explanatory, so I won't delve into it. But again, what jumps out at us from all of this is very clearly that it's a huge set of KPIs, but we need to really be choosy about what exactly is it that we need to track. But once you selected the KPIs, we need to ensure that we track them with diligence, and that at no point is do we take our attention away from the tracking that we need to do.